Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove apps from home screen in a Huawei phone. So firstly, in order for you to be able to remove the apps from the home screen, at the first place, you will need to make sure that your home screen is in the app drawer style. So in order to check that or to enable the app drawer, you will need to launch settings, then go for home screen and wallpaper. Onwards, set the home screen style to be not standard but drawer. Then find the icon that you would like to remove, hold it like that, and tap at the remove option. And that will be it. So the app remains on the phone, but its icon was deleted from home screen, or its shortcut. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.